Want to know the second biggest time waster? It's confusion, and it's exhausting. Yet it's the very reason why good people and otherwise great marriages keep circling back to the same arguments, the same silence, the same frustrations, all the same negative patterns for years. Let's change that, okay? Hi, I'm Mimi, and someone who knows the misery of wasting years being stuck, doing the same thing over and over and getting nowhere. Now, a 5-time Master Certified Life Coach and mentor to leaders, and the insanely happy wife to Edward, it has since been my honor to provide bold guidance and support to the brave spouse who's realized that the one who decides to step up also becomes the one who transforms everything. Now, the reason confusion feels so heavy is because you're trying to solve your marriage from the outside in. You're asking, what do they think? What will they do? Will they change? Do they even care? And the answers to those questions are completely out of your control. But what is under your control, and when you commit to doing this, the confusion lifts immediately, is to turn those questions inward by asking, how can I own my part in this? How can I grow? Am I ready to take responsibility for leading this forward? That's where clarity comes from, not in waiting for your spouse, but in choosing that you become stronger. Stronger in mindset, stronger in resilience, stronger in body. Because when you strengthen you, the path forward for your marriage inevitably becomes clear. And now that you know that confusion is the second biggest time waster, I can now tell you what the first is, and it's procrastination. And when you combine that with all the confusion, you render yourself helpless. But here's good news. Good things happen when you take action. Now, I don't know who said this, but the journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. From there, you get to build the momentum that propels you in the direction you want to go. If you're ready to begin that journey, the Marriage Muscle Club is where you'll learn exactly how to step forward with clarity and strength. I invite you to join me there now. The link is in the description. Then be sure to make your way back here to keep a lookout for when I drop the next series of videos where we'll move deeper into how to actually build that strength, starting with the hidden you factor that determines whether or not your marriage survives. Before you go, please know that by staying here with me through the end of this video, you've done something powerful. You've taken confusion and turned it into clarity that you can own. That's not just watching content. That's progress you've already earned. Now take the next step. Thanks for listening. I'm Mimi Negron, the Marriage Muscle Coach, and this is where strength begins. See you in the next video.